What's up everyone, this is Duana aka Glamazon 1026 and welcome back to the Glam Room. Today I'm going to be doing a full voiceover of a beginner friendly full face. So just sit back and watch and we'll get right into it. So hey guys, here I am, fresh face. I'm going to be putting on the Vegan Milk Moisturizer by Milk Makeup as my first primer and then topping that off with the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer as the second one. Then I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. cream liner for my brows. And then I'm going to go in with some black eyeliner to make my brow hairs. If you guys want to see exactly how I do this, I have a video on my YouTube channel as well as on Instagram. Now I'm going to take the e.l.f. Soft Matte Complete Concealer to carve out underneath the brows. And I bring it to the middle just to make sure that they are even. And then I'm going to take the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer and use that as my eyeshadow primer. I'm picking up the NYX Ultimate Utopia palette and I'm going to go in with this brown shade. This is going to be my 1, 2, 3 eyeshadow section. I do this on my Instagram channel where the first shadow is going to be a complete look. Next, we're going to go into the second shadow, which is going to give you another complete look. I'm picking up this dark purple and starting at the base of the lash line and blending up into the brown. And then blending it all together with a clean brush. The third shade is going to be this sparkly shimmer. And this is also going to be a complete look, and it's actually going to complete our eyeshadow look for today. I'm going to spread that all over the base of the eye where I put the dark purple and then blend it out into the brown. And so we kind of have like a smoky look going on. Now I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer to color correct, blending it out with this blending brush. And then I'm going to go in with my Pat McGrath Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Foundation in the shade Medium Deep 22. If you want an in-depth tutorial on how to put on foundation, highlight, and contour, be sure to check out my So You Think You Want a series on Instagram. Now I'm going to use my Pat McGrath concealer to highlight, and then some stick foundation to contour. I'm going to blend them in, blend them together, honestly. First I blend out my contour and then I blend out the highlight and then I blend them both together. I also have a foundation routine 2020 video on YouTube, and I will link that in the card so that you guys can watch it. I'm picking up the Laura Mercier Translucent Honey Setting Powder and I'm going to use that to set my whole entire face. And then once that is done, I'm going to pick up the Mented Cosmetics and Neon MUA Dawn to Dusk palette to use to deepen my contour. I'm also going to use that same palette with the blush. A little bit too much on the left side, y'all, but that's okay, I'm going to fix it later. And I'm going to spray down my face with the Becca Glow and Set Prime Mist. Now I'm going to finish off the eye look. I'm going to take that sparkly color and just run it under my lower lash line and blend that out with the brown that we used to cap everything off. I'm going to stop here and put on some mascara. And now that my face is dry, I'm going to put on the Nabla Cosmetics Skin Glazing Highlighter in the shade Amnesia. And I'm going to pop on the Titan lashes. They look amazing as usual. And I'm going to put on the Alamar Cosmetics Coquetta Lip Liner and their Dulce Lip Gloss. Finally, I'm going to spray it with my Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Setting Spray, and we are done. Here's the finished look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to come back next time for some more amazing tutorials. See you in my next video. Bye.
can't see.